story potato lefse goes something like this. A bunch of Vikings went over to Ireland to take them over. Instead, the Irish attacked them with potatoes. They went oof! And then they ran back to Norway with their potatoes and made potato lefse. I don't think the story is quite true. But what is true is this is a delicious flatbread to make if you have leftover mashed potatoes. Put your leftover mashed potatoes in a bowl and add some flour. Now your mashed potatoes can be any kind of mashed potatoes, but whatever you season them with will definitely season your lefse. Typically in Scandinavian households like the one I grew up in, lefse is only made during the holidays. So many recipes involve a lot of potatoes and a lot more time in the kitchen. This version that I make that involves a little leftover potatoes and a little flour kind of thrown together back and forth to make a dough, I think is a little bit probably closer to the real tradition of lefse, which is just a housewife stuck with some leftover ingredients trying to make a meal for her family. You can see here that the ingredients aren't too precise. I'm basically just trying to get enough flour in there to make sort of a Play-Doh consistency. If you can roll a little bit around and push on it and push it down without it tearing or sticking, you have a really good lefse dough. Transfer a small ball of dough to a floured board and roll it into a perfect circle. Just kidding, whatever shape really, that's perfect. Place the dough in a medium-high, hot, dry pan. Whoop, we'll just fix that. And cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side. It will smoke slightly and the little bubbles will start to pop up. And flip, and look at all those nice little brown speckles. Oh, it's so good. While they cook, you could sing a little Yogi Jorgensen. Oh, who put the lutefisk on the poop deck? Or not. Then transfer your finished lefse to a towel and serve immediately while it's hot. Cover it in butter and jam, fill it with good stuff like salmon and, oh, I don't know. It's just good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.